Split the Pot Lottery gives you the chance to win cash while supporting hospital and healthcare foundations across Alberta. Angelica Hogan from the Mental Health Foundation is here with details about this month's jackpot. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Corey. Thanks for having me.
Great to have you with us. Now, if people aren't familiar with Split the Pot, tell us how it's different than other charitable organizations.
What's really cool is it's a province-wide monthly lottery that supports 38 different hospital or healthcare foundations.
Wow.
And at the end of every month, a lucky 13 winners get to split the pot of our grand prize, all the while supporting healthcare initiatives and then giving back to their communities.
And when they donate, they can pick sometimes either general into the pot or which one they want to go to, and maybe they'll pick the Mental Health Foundation. How does the Mental Health Foundation serve the community?
Thank you for asking. We exist to help transform the mental health care space, specifically when it comes to mental illness and addictions. So we fund and we raise funds for 3 key initiatives. One is patient experiences and outcomes. We really want individuals with lived experience to see that there are brighter days ahead. We also fund connected systems of care. So that is bridging the gaps in the healthcare system so we can have hubs where someone can show up vulnerable and say, I'm not feeling great, I need to talk to someone, and they can get care immediately. And lastly, we also invest in research and evaluation because we want to be as proactive as we can be. There's a lot of technologies out there that are yet to be discovered.
And would you say that this funding is needed for your organization and through the others in the fundraising initiatives?
Yes, you know, all 38 foundations do vital work, but for us at MHF, Mental Health Foundation, we have a stat we like to share with everyone. 1 in 5 Albertans will live with a mental illness or an addiction. So we all know someone that may be struggling, maybe searching for help, and we want to make sure it's accessible, it's equitable, and it's immediate, because that is really the difference in them being able to move forward in recovery.
For sure. What's new for Split the Pot this month?
What is new is that we are actually going to be coming up on our first early bird. So if you're thinking of investing and trying to get some life-altering money, if you purchase tickets today before 11:59 midnight, you're entered into our first early bird draw. And the winner of that draw will win upwards of $6,000.
Okay.
And they'll be entered into the following weekly early bird. So we're going to have a weekly early bird every Thursday of the month. And then the last Thursday is where we're going to give out the big money. I just looked at the tracker and we're sitting at $124,000.
That's not too bad at all.
So that's not too bad. You get to split that and you really get to help your neighbors, your family, your friends who may be living with mental illness or addiction.
Okay, and if we wanted tickets, how do we go about getting tickets?
The best way is to go online, like everything these days. So if you check out splitthepot.ca, you can purchase tickets in various bundles. I think the lowest one is 1 ticket you can get for $15, or you can get 100 tickets or 500 tickets, pardon me, for $100. So that's about 20 cents a ticket if you're one of those value shoppers.
Perfect. Angelica, I want to thank you so much for coming in, sharing the good news, and getting people excited about this lottery.
Thank you. I hope they go and support. We really need it.
For sure. For more information about Split the Pot Lottery, visit splitthepot.ca.